What's going on, traders? Ralph the Trader here back again with another video. Today's video, I want to just briefly go over my process that I do on a daily basis. Like Stacy says, keep it simple. All right, keep it simple. So that's all I do with my trading. I keep it simple. As you guys know, my trading is basically uh high and low of the day, timing, round numbers, pin hammers, and golfings. And there's some other things that I also look for. I look for major rejections at major levels, and that type of stuff. You know what I mean? It come with time once you guys start learning, learning the markets and really understanding what it is that you're doing. But the first things that I mentioned are all basic, high and low of the day, making sure that price has locked in the high or the low for the day, and timing. Timing is everything. Like Stacy said, the equity hour, trade during those times. Asian session, 8 a.m., 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. London, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And all those times are Eastern Standard Times. Okay. Equity hour for Asian, 9 p.m. Equity hour for London, 3 a.m. Equity hour for New York, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for me, basically what I'm doing, I trade London session, okay? And you can do the same thing. The same process works if you're trading Asian or New York, all right? So for me, what I'm doing is I'm coming to the charts roughly around, I try to get to the charts around around 1 a.m. because London opens up at 2 a.m. So, I try to come to the charts at about 1 a.m. And what I'm doing is I'm looking to see, I'm first thing I'm doing, I'm marking off my high of the day. Okay. So that's going to be the high of that day. Okay. The high of that day. Then I'm marking off the low of that day. Okay. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm waiting when the session opens. Now I'm looking to see if price has locked in the high or locked in a low during that equity hour. Or sometimes, for instance, with this Monday's trade, as you guys can see, we we had our high here. We had our low here. Okay. So we had a session low, session high, which was also the high of the day and the low of the day before all this even happened. Okay. So as you guys can see, we were at that quarter level. Right now, we're inside of prices traded inside of the 50 pip box. All right, we're inside of the 50 pip box from here to here. Okay, it's a 50 pip box. We're trading inside of that 50 pip box. Okay, so as you guys can see, we made that high and we started getting all these uh little indecision candles. Okay, so we're rejecting and we're up top. All right, so we want to sell high, buy low. Okay. So we're at the high of the day. Major rejections of the high. We're getting major rejections of the high. We finally get an engulfing. Okay. This candle engulfs this previous candle. We engulf at the high. Okay. Like Stacy says, we want to get in at the numbers, above the numbers or at the numbers. So for me, I'm seeing all these rejections. All right. For me, if I get 2 to 3 rejections at a level, I'm looking to take a trade. That's me personally. I'm looking to take a trade. So we rejecting the high. Okay. We got an engulfing. 2 a.m. London opens up. Okay. We get this pin hammer. All right. This next candle here. 2:30 a.m. I'm in. All right. I got major rejections at a high. I close below, even though it's not a strong candle to close, but I want to get in above or at the numbers. I don't want to get in the middle of this here, okay? Because my low is here. I don't want to get in here, all right? So I'm getting in at the numbers. So as this candle closes, all right, I'm in. Stop loss is at the high, okay? I have a 50 pip target, but as you guys can see, that was a 40 pip drop. I'm cool with that. With the pound, 25 to 50 pips, I'm good. All right. So There you go. We had the high, we had the low. All right, we got major rejections at the high. All right, we closed below our level. We pulled back a little bit, pulled back a little bit. We're in. All right. Next day, rinse and repeat. Same thing. All right. I mark off my high. Okay. Marked off the high for the day. Okay. So, and this was a low. So coming into the session, this was a low. This was the low for the day. All right. This was the low. Okay. And you're going to have trades during the gap time. Okay. So you're going to have trades during the gap time. All right. So if you're up during the gap time, this is a trade. You got a high. All right. You pinned up. All right. Same thing as the previous example. We're at that quarter level. Major rejections at the quarter level. Engulfing. All right. You can short here. Okay. Stop loss is right at the level. 11 pip stop. All right. Set your target. Whatever you want. 25, 10, whatever. Okay. Get what you get and get out. This was a 45 pip drop. This was before the equity hour even opened. A 45 pip drop. Okay. We broke that low. All right. So what is that telling us? We broke this low. The low is not locked in yet. All right. London opens up 2 a.m. We push down. We create a low. We create another low. We pin hammer. Pin hammer. All right. Equity hour 3 a.m. As this candle closes, as this candle gets above this pin hammer, I'm in. Okay. And there you go. That's another 40 pip move right there. Another 40 pip move. We pin hammer. We locked in a low. When you get a pin hammer, okay, we locked in a low. All right. You pin hammer, you engulf. All right. The low is locked in. They're not coming back this way again. Okay. Next example. Same thing. All right. Rinse and repeat. We had a high for the day. This is our low. What time are you coming to the market? All right. During the gap time. All right. We had a 1, 2, 3 stop hunt. Okay. A 1, 2, 3 back down. As the market London session opens up, we got a pin hammer. Okay. And what do we get? All right. We're waiting on the equity hour. We're waiting on the equity hour to see if price is going to lock in the high or lock in the low. We're waiting on the equity hour. All right. We get a 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Major rejections at the quarter level. We're not breaking the high. We want to sell high, buy low. Major rejections at the quarter level. Look at all these rejections at this level. All right. Pin hammer, inverted pin hammer. All right. Inverted pin hammer. Here's your entry right here. Your stop loss can be here, or you can put your stop loss at the high. All right. Set your target. All right. It's a 50 pip drop. And that is essentially what I'm doing every day, you guys. I'm getting better and better at it. Rinse and repeat. Keep trading simple. Okay? Keep it simple. If you keep it simple, you will be successful. All right? High and low of the day. Round numbers. Timing. That is all you need. All right, that is all you need, guys. Hey, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I really appreciate you guys for liking the videos, leaving comments. Really appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. I'm just another individual here, just documenting my journey, showing you guys everything that I've learned over these 2 years of trading. I'm still getting better, and that's all we can do every day is get 1% better each day. All right. Let's be great at this trading. Let's do the best that we can. Let's minimize our losses. All right. Let's have proper risk management, and let's just go out and do the best that we can do. All right. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys just to see what I'm doing on a daily basis. And if it was, just leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that bell notification for every time your boy drop a video. I really appreciate it. All right. So with that being said, be the reason someone smiles today, you guys. Be the reason someone smiles today. Peace and love, family.